The Mind Reader. Single-serve coffee pod drawer is a convenient and practical solution for anyone who enjoys their morning cup of joe. With its sleek black color and durable plastic construction, this coffee pod drawer adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen or office space. Measuring at 13.07 inches in depth, 9.37 inches in width, and 2.52 inches in height, the product offers ample storage space for your favorite coffee pods. Its compact design allows for easy placement on countertops, inside cabinets, or even in pantry drawers, maximizing your available space. What sets the Mind Reader single-serve coffee pod drawer apart from similar products on the market is its attention to detail and functionality. The thoughtful design includes a transparent window, allowing you to quickly and easily identify the coffee pod flavor you desire without the need to rummage through the drawer. This feature is especially convenient when you have multiple coffee lovers in your household or office.
The Keurig K-Slim single-serve K-Cup pod coffee maker is a remarkable product that brings convenience and quality to every coffee lover's home. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I must say that this coffee maker is definitely worth considering. First and foremost, the Keurig brand is renowned for its commitment to excellence and delivering exceptional coffee experiences. With this product, they have once again proved their expertise in creating top-notch coffee makers. The sleek and stylish design of the Keurig K-Slim coffee maker, finished in a sophisticated black color, adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. One standout feature of this coffee maker is its compact size. With dimensions of 15D into 18W into 8H, it is perfect for those with limited space. Despite its slim profile, it still manages to accommodate a generous 46-ounce removable water tank. This feature ensures that you can easily fill and clean the tank without any hassle.
The Chefman's single-serve coffee maker is a reliable and convenient coffee machine that caters to coffee lovers of all walks of life. With its sleek and modern design, this product is sure to add a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. One of the standout features of this coffee maker is its portability. With its compact size and lightweight construction, it is effortless to carry around, making it an ideal choice for those who are constantly on the go. Whether you're traveling, camping, or simply need a coffee fix at the office, this coffee maker is designed to meet your needs. In terms of performance, the Chefman's single-serve coffee maker excels in delivering a satisfying cup of coffee. It utilizes drip coffee machine technology to ensure a consistent and flavorful brew every time. The machine's brewing process is efficient and quick, allowing you to enjoy a fresh cup of coffee in just a matter of minutes. The product dimensions of 6.22D into 4.5W into 13.2H make it a space-saving.
The Keurig K-Duo single-serve, K-Cup pod, and carafe coffee maker is a versatile and convenient coffee maker that caters to both individual coffee drinkers and those who prefer to brew a larger pot of coffee. With its sleek black design, this coffee maker adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. One of the standout features of the Keurig K-Duo is its ability to brew both single-serve K-Cup pods and a carafe. This versatility allows users to choose between a quick and easy single cup of coffee or a larger pot to serve multiple people. Whether you're rushing out the door in the morning or hosting a breakfast gathering, this coffee maker has you covered. The programmable feature of the Keurig K-Duo adds convenience to your coffee routine. You can set the coffee maker to start brewing at a specific time, ensuring that a fresh cup of coffee is waiting for you when you wake up or arrive home. This feature not only saves you time in the morning, but also ensures that you never queue. The Amazon Basics Drip Coffee maker is a solid choice for anyone in need of a reliable and efficient coffee machine. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that this coffee maker delivers on its promises. One of the standout features of the Amazon Basics Drip coffee maker is its sleek design. With its black and stainless steel finish, it adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. The product dimensions of 5.98D into 9.44W into 14.17H make it compact enough to fit into any space, while still providing ample room for brewing a delicious cup of coffee. The special feature that sets this coffee maker apart from others is its removable tank. This convenient feature allows for easy filling and cleaning, ensuring a hassle-free brewing experience. Whether you prefer to use tap water or filtered water, the removable tank makes it simple to add or remove water as needed. In terms of coffee maker type, the Amazon Basic Strip.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.